Baby.
Baby. Oh!
You look incredible.
Well, thank you. I try.
All right, guys. Well, we are behind the scenes on our Incredibles 2 makeup tutorial.
Woo!
It's been a minute since we filmed a makeup tutorial, and so we are back. And even though Karis is, what, 4 months pregnant now?
Yeah. Oh no.
We are gonna rock this, you guys.
My logo keeps on falling off.
Whoops.
I like DIY'd the Incredibles logo. I bought this like glitter paper, which is awesome because it sticks onto itself. But when I put it on the fabric, I probably should have fabric glued it beforehand.
This is baby Jack Jack. You can see right out of the frame, we have our couches and we have our mannequin back there. So this is the movie magic. You just frame it how you want to frame it. Now this is what the big camera, the fancy camera sees. And the beverage of champions, the beverage that makes the world go around, coffee.
Okay, you guys, my outfit was like really easy to get together. All you have to do, like for me, Amazon is the way to go, especially here in Alaska because we don't have like costume stores and stuff. Like we have one, but it's limited. And so I went online and I got this like red spandex like jumpsuit, which was pretty inexpensive. And then I got glitter craft paper from Michaels that sticks to itself. And I did the logo, just print off the logo and then cut out the pieces to match. I got this on Amazon as well. You can see my belly down here. But it's just like a bathing suit bottom that goes, it's high-waisted. For my wig, this wig was a cheap wig off of Amazon that was longer and I just cut it and styled it to Mrs. Incredible's short hair.
And now it is time to start filming.
Yeah.
We put on the Incredibles 2 soundtrack to get in the spirit here, and Karis is drawing on her mask now. Oh, that's a good zoom. Man, this is total 70s classic superhero music. When we were watching the film, I didn't really notice that.
And I feel that's like kind of like when the classic superheroes like on TV, like Wonder Woman and Batman and like all that, like it's like a tribute to all those classic ones.
On to the lips. Alright, well we're done with filming the actual tutorial part of it. Typically we will go through the whole video from start to finish and blowing the kiss, and then Karis will touch up, and then we'll come back down and we'll do product shots and model shots, and we'll take some photos. So we're on to that process right now. But I thought, while she is prepping, I would show you guys a little bit of our lighting setup. And for this video, it's actually a little different than what we've been doing recently. Some of you guys are probably familiar with the ring lights. They're really nice because with the ring light, the light wraps around your face. Let's see if I can see it. So there's really no shadows too much with the ring light. So it's really nice. So the ring light is balanced daylight, which means it's like the same color temperature as the sun. And then back here, the background, this is the infinity rule that we use. So we have all different colors. We got pink, we got blue, we got black, we got white, all different colors. But we didn't actually have a red one, but we did have a pink one. So I thought maybe if we do the pink infinity rule, but then we hit it with this light, and this light is an LED light, like a pretty powerful one actually. It's made by Aperture. It's the 120D, and you can pretty much adapt this light with like any type of softbox, any type of like modifier essentially. But I have this like barn door, which, you know, these are pretty nifty. They just kind of swivel in and out. And then I have this little filter in there, which it looks yellow probably to you guys on the camera, hitting the pink, which in turn creates red. And then one final light, we have this light also with some barn doors, and that was like the hair light, so it was kind of creating a glow behind Karis. So this is our Sony A7S, and I really like it paired with this monitor. I know that some of you guys that are into cameras will probably appreciate it. And this allows me to shoot in 4K, and it also allows me to like really crop in close and see like everything. So yeah guys, that's kind of the setup for this video. And I think Karis is about done. Well, we have one final setup and we just moved the lights in a fun way. And now, Mrs. Incredible is in the shot. How you feeling, baby?
Feeling tired, hungry. Look good.
Tired, hungry, pregnant.
Pregnant.
But we do this for you guys. That's not Nina, that's a Mrs. Incredible.
Do you like it?
It's really pretty.
Thank you.
Did you make that?
I did. I just got done shooting a tutorial.
That's so cool.
Thank you.
We're gonna film some slow-mo with Jack Jack. Jack Jack is the man. What do you think, Jack Jack? Ah! Control thyself, son. Control thyself. Do you guys hear Karis in the background? She's actually live on Instagram right now.
Hello, hello, my beautiful shining stars. Yay! Hi! I know it's late. That's how we usually do. There's my Mr. Incredible.
Hi, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Well, we hope you guys enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look into filming our Incredibles tutorial.
And we love you guys so much. Let us know if you've seen the movie and what you guys think about it. I absolutely loved it, and my favorite character was Jack Jack, of course.
And if you guys enjoy this type of content, make sure to go follow us on our second channel, Charisma Life TV, where we vlog 5 times a week, and we take you guys behind the scenes into our life here in Alaska.
Woo! And remember, you are beautiful, baby, so shine like a star. Mwah!
Mwah!